The objective of this lesson is to learn how to use the not formula in Excel. And usually this formula is used with other formulas, like for example the if statement, to make things easier. This formula, what it does, it will look at one condition, and if the condition is true, it will transform it to false. If the condition is false, it will transform it to true. And how do you have a condition? You use an operator. So those are the most common operators. You have the equal operator. Not equal is an arrow to the left and an arrow to the right. And those arrows are actually usually above your comma and dot on the keyboard. So you press shift, comma or shift dot and you'll get them. Then you have the right arrow for larger, the left arrow for smaller, and then if you add an equal, you can make it larger or equal or smaller or equal. So let's take a simple example where I have 6 equal to 5. So 6 is not equal to 5, which means it's false. If I apply on it the not, it will become true. So I'm going to come here, write equal not, you open the parenthesis, you do 6, you use your operator here, so equal, you select your second cell, close the parenthesis, enter, and you get true, as I said. Now you'll tell me that instead of doing this, I could do equal, for example, 6 not equal to 5. I can select the cell, and I'll get the same result. But the thing is, not is usually used when you have a very complex expression, not something simple like this, and then you can transform this expression to the opposite, true or false.